Well, good news everyone. Today I'm going to do a little project and I'm going to show you. I'm going to replace this window right here. The window is actually translucent and not transparent. It's also hard to put a window shade up into it, which is kind of annoying. So we'll replace the window and I'll show you what it looks like before and after. So here's the outside of the door. This is the old window. And here's the new window. It is a thin shade by AP Products. It says all you need is a screwdriver, but you also need some masking tape to tape the window. So I have the masking tape right here. The first step is actually to tape the window up, because the glass is separate than the frame, so you don't want the glass falling out, unless you want a million pieces everywhere. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It comes in two pieces, and then it has the screen that just pops in on the top and the bottom. The directions say to make sure that you tape the glass to the frame on the outside. So I've already pre-taped the glass to the frame. So it comes with the two frames, the glass, the shade, and also the screws. So once the frame is taped up, then you can actually unscrew it. So there we go. Under 15 minutes to do this window. And I'll show you from the inside with it closed. So as you can see outside, which is really nice. No sense of having a window if it doesn't work. And if you want the shades pulled, in case you're boondocking at Walmart, or if you're sleeping during the day and you don't want any light in, looks like it might keep most of the light out. There's a few places around the blind that looks like it will let some light in, but much better. Also, you can't pull the blind down when the door's open or up because the screen door's in the way. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.